Hey guys, here I took all the 8 chords together and find the center of it. Now I am placing the 2 chords of 17 inches each on both the sides of 8 chords. So to start a plant hanger, firstly we need to make a loop which works as a wooden ring. Start the loop just little bit above the center. Tape all the chords from above. For the loop, I'm using square knots. So this is a full square knot and we need to tie 15 square knots like this for a loop. So our 15 square knots is ready. Now we need to attach it by using a wrap knot. For a wrap knot, we need one cord of 30 inches. So to make a wrap knot, make a loop of the cord and take it together with the other cords. Take the another end of cord and start wrapping it around all the cords. Once you make few rows of wrap, you're gonna stick that piece to the little loop. Now I'm gonna take short tail sticking up and pull it tight. Now cut the extra parts using a scissor. Also cut the extra parts of cord which is used to make square knots. So our little ring is ready. Now we need to start the plant hanger. To start the plant hanger, firstly divide all the 16 cords into 4 parts of 4 cords each. Take one part and start tying a square knot. Before starting another square knot, replace the middle cords with the side cords. Repeat this process of replacing and making a square knot till you make 12 square knots. So this is how our 12 square knots look like. Now we need to tie the square knots on the remaining 3 parts also. So our 4 sides of plant hanger is ready now. Now tie 2 simple square knots on the end of all the 4 parts. So our square knots look like this. Now we're going to tie alternative square knots. For this we need 2 cords from one part and 2 from the other part, and you have to tie a square knot at some distance. Tighten the square knot so that it will not move. Now make another square knot at some distance. Now take that square knot to above square knot to make a loop and tighten the square knot so that it will not move. Now make another square knot with loops as we did it before. Now we need to repeat this process of alternating square knots with loops on the other parts also. So this is how our butterflies look like. Now we are going to make simple alternating square knots by taking 2 cords from one side and 2 from the other. Tighten the square knot so that it will not move. Repeat this process to all the parts. So we are going to end our plant hanger. For this you need to tie a wrap knot. Take a cord of 30 inches and tie a wrap knot at some distance. Tie a wrap knot in the same way as we did in the starting. now cut the extra cords. And our plant hanger is ready.